Hello and welcome to HR Trends. So today we are going to discuss a topic which is employee relations. Remote companies are successful today because they can hire talented people from anywhere in the world. They save money on office space and other expenses. Employees enjoy better work-life balance and flexibility, which increases productivity. Modern tools make communication and teamwork easy. Overall, remote work helps companies grow faster and stay competitive. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for latest updated videos of HR trainings. Please press the bell icon for the latest notifications of the HR videos. Thanks a lot. So firstly, we will look what is employee relations. Employee relations refers to all the efforts a company makes to build and maintain a healthy relationship with its employees. It is about creating trust, respect, and fairness between the management and the staff. The main purpose of employee relations is to make employees feel valued and supported so they stay loyal to the company. When employees feel connected, they are more engaged, motivated, and committed to their work. Strong employee relations also help reduce turnover, meaning fewer people leave the company because they feel satisfied and happy in their jobs. Another important goal is to create a positive workplace culture where employees can work together respectfully. So, what is the role of employee relations? Employee relations focuses on building and maintaining a positive working relationship between employees and the organization. Its main purpose is to create a fair, respectful, and productive workplace where employees feel valued and engaged. Employee relations act as the bridge between employees and management, protecting employee rights, ensuring fair treatment, and helping the organization achieve its goals through a motivated and cooperative workplace. So, what are responsibilities of an employee relations manager? The typical duties of an employee relations manager include acting as a link between employees and managers, and creating or advising on policies about employee issues such as fair pay, good benefits, healthy work-life balance, responsible working hours, and more. In employee relations, the HR department has two main jobs: to prevent and solve problems or disputes between employees and management, to help create and apply policies that are fair and consistent for everyone in the workplace. So, what is positive employee relations maintenance? We can maintain positive employee relations in an organization by encouraging open communication so employees feel heard and valued, treating everyone fairly, and applying policies regularly builds trust among staff. Recognizing and rewarding good performance motivates employees and supports loyalty. Providing training, mentoring, and career development opportunities helps employees grow within the organization. Conflicts should be addressed quickly and resolved respectfully to maintain harmony. Supporting work-life balance through reasonable hours and flexibility keeps employees satisfied. Above all, fostering a culture of trust, respect, and teamwork creates a healthy and productive workplace. So, importance of employee relations. Employee relations are important because they create a positive and respectful workplace where employees feel valued and motivated. Good relations build trust between staff and management, leading to open communication and better teamwork. They help reduce conflicts and resolve issues fairly, which maintains harmony in the workplace. Strong employee relations improve job satisfaction and encourage employees to stay with the organization longer. They also boost productivity by ensuring employees are engaged and committed to their work. A supportive work environment promotes collaboration and creativity. Overall, positive employee relations contribute directly to achieve organization goals successfully. So here are some ways to maintain positive worker relations. Here are four straightforward ways in which managers will facilitate maintaining positive worker relations. Number one, open communication. Number two, show recognition. Number three, continuous feedback. Number four, invest in your staff. So the number one is open communication. In any workplace, communication is key. Employees spend most of their day at work, so it's important they feel comfortable with their manager and satisfied with their tasks. Let your team know you are available to talk about their work or any concerns, and be clear about what you expect from them. One way to understand how your team feels is to run simple weekly surveys where employees can give anonymous feedback. This helps keep communication open, engage employees, and allow them to share their thoughts safely. So the second one is show recognition. Simple gestures of thanks and kind words can have a big impact, more than you might think. Appreciation means a lot to employees, and recognizing good work motivates them to keep doing well. Giving public praise is also a great way to show recognition while inspiring the rest of the team. Rewarding your team fairly helps build a culture of appreciation between employees and managers. So the third one is continuous feedback. Giving feedback to your staff regularly is very important. When you praise them for their good work, it motivates them to keep performing well. At the same time, giving constructive criticism, guidance on where and how they can improve helps them grow and build new skills. This balance of positive feedback and improvement tips supports your relationship with your team and creates trust. Employees need feedback because it helps them learn, develop, and understand what is expected from them. By providing clear guidelines and directions, managers support employees in achieving better results. Regular feedback sessions, such as monthly one on one meetings, give staff a safe space to discuss their progress, ask questions, and receive advice. These sessions are highly valued by employees because they feel supported, recognized, and guided in their professional journey. The last one is invest in your staff. Show your employees that you care about them as people, not just as 9 to 5 workers. Let them know that their happiness and fulfillment matter to you both professionally and personally. This kind of support makes employees feel respected and valued, which helps them stay more engaged at work. The truth is, when employees are happy in their personal life, they are usually more productive and focused at work. Investing in their overall well being, not just their work performance, benefits both the employees and organization. Simple act like being flexible with schedule, supporting work life balance, or showing honest interest in their growth can make a big difference. Here are some methods which can improve worker relations. There are many things a manager can start doing as well as stop doing. to help improve employee relations. Number one, stop interfering. Number two, stop favoritism. Number three, be as clear as possible. Number four, gather ideas from the team. Number five, share the future corporate vision. So the number one is stop interfering. When a leader micromanages instead of trusting their team and giving them independence, employee may become disengaged. This often lowers the quality of their work, which then leads to even more micromanagement, a cycle that hurts both the manager and the employees. It's important to remember that giving guidance and micromanaging are not the same. Guidance and feedback are helpful and support positive employees' relations, but constantly monitoring every step, hovering, and giving too much unnecessary advice can make employees doubt themselves, leading to many other problems. The second one is stop favoritism. When a manager shows favoritism, it means they treat certain employees better than others, giving them more attention, benefits, or opportunities. This behavior is often very obvious to the rest of the team, and it can cause employees to feel unappreciated, overlooked, or unfairly treated. As a result, the team's motivation and morale begin to drop because employees may start believing that their hard work will not be recognized equally. Favoritism also creates divisions among coworkers, leading to jealousy, frustration, and unhealthy competition. Instead of working together as a team, employees may begin to distrust both their manager and each other. Over time, this weakness employee relations increase conflict in the workspace and can even cause employees to disengage or leave the company. The third one is be as clear as possible. Clear and open communication is one of the most important parts of a successful workplace. Employees should always know exactly what their job role is and what tasks or responsibilities are expected from them. When managers explain their properly, employees can focus on their work and managers can support them in reaching their goals. Clear communication helps avoid misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page. On the other hand, if employees do not fully understand their role, it can lead to confusion and doubt. They may waste time guessing what they should do or worry about making mistakes. This confusion often causes stress, which lowers motivation and makes it harder for employees to concentrate on their work. Over time, unclear expectations can reduce employee engagement and harm productivity. So, number four is gather ideas from the team. Employees should feel that they are not just working for the company but are also an important part of the team. One way to make them feel valued is by involving them in decision making. This can be done by asking for their ideas, suggestions, and feedback on how things can be improved. When employees know that their opinions are welcome, they feel respected and more connected to the organization. However, it's not enough to just listen and collect ideas. If managers never take decisions on the suggestions, employees may feel ignored, which can lower morale and trust. Instead, manager should seriously consider the feedback and try to implement at least some of the ideas. Even small changes based on employee input show that their voices matters. This builds trust, increases motivation, and encourages employees to stay engaged and continue contributing. Number fifth is share the future corporate vision. One of the biggest things that drives people at work is purpose. This means employees want to feel that the work they do is meaningful and makes a difference. Employees don't just want to finish tasks, they want to feel they are contributing to something bigger than themselves, like the company's mission, goals, or a positive impact on society. When they see their work connected to a larger purpose, they feel more engaged, motivated, and proud of what they do. To keep this passion alive, leaders should regularly share the company's long-term vision and future goals with the employees. Talking openly and often about where the company is heading helps employees feel included and reminds them why their role is important. So, what is positive employee relations maintenance? Positive employee relations can be maintained by building a respectful and supporting workplace. Good communication is very important so employees know what is expected and feel free to share their concerns. Treating all employees fairly and equally helps create trust and avoid conflicts. Recognizing and rewarding good performance keeps people motivated and loyal. Offering training and career growth opportunities shows employees that the company valued their future. Conflicts should be solved quickly and respectfully to keep harmony in the workplace. Finally, supporting life balance and caring about employees as people builds a positive, long-lasting relationship. In short, respect, fairness, communication, recognizing and support are the foundation of positive employee relations. So functions of the employee relations manager. The main function of an employee relations manager is to build and maintain positive relationship between employees and management. They act as a bridge to ensure both sides understand each other. They handle employees' complaints, resolve conflicts, and make sure issues are dealt with fairly. Another key role is to create and enforce workplace policies that are clear and consistent. They also guide managers on how to handle performance, behavior, and disciplinary matters. Employees relation managers work to improve employees' engagement and job satisfaction. They promote a respectful and inclusive workplace culture. Overall, their goal is to reduce conflicts, improve trust, and help employees and the company succeed together. So, in the conclusion, maintaining positive employee relations is essential for building a strong and productive workplace. When employees feel respected, valued, and supported, they stay motivated and loyal to the organization. Clear communication, fair treatment, and appreciation of good work help support trust between staff and management. Providing continuous feedback and growth opportunities also keeps employees engaged and focused. Managers play a key role by avoiding favoritism, encouraging teamwork, and showing genuine care for their people. Sharing the company's vision and purpose further inspires employees to give their best. Good employees' relations not only reduce conflicts but also create a culture of respect and collaboration. So, lastly, we just want to say thank you for supporting us. Please subscribe to our channel for latest HR videos. Thanks a lot once again.